Guys, just another video for me, and it's about how to dust off my Gundams. Now, you can use a cloth, anything you can wipe it off of, like, clean cloth with water, cloth with like Dettol liquid with anything in it, and if not, then I just found one new way actually, but this new way, you guys have to really be careful because you know why? I'm using a blow dryer right now. Like, this is a blow dryer. I'm just blow drying my hair right now, and if it does stop, but like just be careful about the parts and all the guns and like those swords you have on your Gundams. Like, just be careful of that, and also like the figures that are really light, you have to be careful with, and because they fall and nothing's good's gonna happen to it. So okay, I'm gonna do a little demonstration for you guys right now. Okay, this is on max power, actually, max hot air. Gundam Unicorn collection. These are that's the Banshee, the Unicorn mode. That's the cannon. That's Delta Gundam. Delta Plus. At the back you get the full armor Gundam. Saya Plus. The Rebel at the back. There you see the other custom. Jagan, Spark Jagan, Youngs, Yagu, Zogak, Airfish Knife, Randy, Saku Mariner, Zaku Cypher, and I'm not gonna mention the rest of them. Those are the Machine Wataru collection. Up there is some sea kits. Those fighter kits up there, Diaga, those crazy ways, but I make a big camera up for those, doing another video. And, it really works, like, listing off the here we got my other series, AGs, it's random. Oh, it's all, see, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. The gym right there and the cold type, got smashed together, so now they're bringing them up. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and gonna bring you more. Okay, bye.